AssalamuAlaikum. Welcome to Cook Easy, where cooking is made as easy as A, B, C. Today we will be making mutton chops. For making mutton chops, I will need a pressure cooker to increase the speed of cooking. For it, I will be adding 5 tablespoons of oil, a cinnamon, 2 cardamoms and 2 cloves to the oil. Then I will add chopped onions around 350 grams to the oil. Then a teaspoon of salt. I will saute the onion. Saute the onion well, but do not burn it. Now I will be adding 3 green slit chilies to the mixture. Saute well. If you feel that the mixture is sticking to the base, you can add 1 or 2 teaspoons of water, but do not add any more oil to the mixture. So now that I have added 1 or 2 tablespoons of water to it, the mixture is smooth again. Now I will saute it for around 4 to 5 minutes till the onion turns golden brown. Now I will add ginger garlic paste to the mixture. After adding ginger garlic paste, I will add the mutton pieces to it and then saute again till the raw smell is gone. Once the raw smell is gone, I will add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of dhanya powder or coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, black pepper powder and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix it well. So that all the masalas mix to the mutton very well and they give a wonderful taste and remove all the raw smell from the meat. All this process has to be done on medium flame only. Do not increase the flame. Saute well. Then I will be adding 250 grams of tomato puree to the mixture. Mix it well again. Smells good. Now it's mixed up very well. I'm adding a little coriander leaves to it and a little mint leaves. Then I'm adding a cup of water for cooking. Now I will be closing the lid and let it cook for 4 to 5 whistles. Yeah, now the meat has been cooked. I'm checking it with the help of a knife. Now I serve it on a serving bowl. The gravy is ready.